Hello, my lovelies, to another episode of the Amazing Digital Circus. Where am I? And what are you doing? Nothing. What are you doing here? Making a video on my channel. Off you go. Wait, what? No! Anyway, we will see our heroic friend venture into this digital world. Now, let's get started. Bye-bye. Welcome everybody to the Amazing Digital Circus Morph. I hate morphs a lot. Like, I hate role-playing. I used to role-play, not anymore. But, you know, I thought I would give it a try again. Okay, so, welcome to the end of this video. Okay, this slaps. Hold up. This is great. I love this music. Shut up, I'm listening to... Ooh, dang. Oh, yeah. Anyway, let's get into it. What the f... Oh, no, I cursed it. What? What? Good impression, because impressions are self-inserts. They're not cringe. Self-inserts are self-inserts, and that's okay. Ooh, red gems, my favorite color. Let's see all the morphs from first person. We have Kane. We have Pomni. We have... What the frick? Circus baby, what are you doing here? Pomni car, what are you doing here? Jax from the Amazing Digital Circus. The pilot from Glitch Productions. Subscribe to them. By the way, shout out to them. Zubul from the Amazing Digital Circus. Gangle from the Amazing Digital Circus. I gotta get out. Oh my goodness. I'm literally sorry. That's just a lot, bro. Good application! Woo! Yeah, there's gonna be ear rapes and ear bleeds. So, yeah, I put that in the beginning of the video. The sun and we don't know why. It's just circus. Who wants to be in roleplay? I want to be role-playing character. Who am I going to be? Your mom. Teleport to the exit. Ooh, as Stanley walked through the door. The Stanley parable is Stanley. And Gangle, and Zubul, and Kinger too. And Jackson, Paxton, and Kaufmo. Day after day after day after. Day after day after day after day and night, as the moon and the sun, and we don't know why. Sorry, I got a little bit in the mood right there. Oh shit! Pomni car, Pomni car. Nya, nya, Pomni car. Nya, nya. Oh no! Let me get on. Let me walk. Let me walk in my walking simulator. Oh no! I hope I don't crash.